This morning we've come to Beit Shemesh, a city in Israel, for a very special reason. We had a request for help from a mother with 2 children who doesn't have beds for them to sleep in their apartment, purchasing the beds, the mattresses, the sheets, and the pillows that they'll need to be able to sleep and live in comfort.
שלום, קוראים לי זודיטו, אני 2 ילדים, חד-הורית, ופניתי לקשרים למען השלום, מצאתי מיטה לילדים, הביאו לי את זה היום, והם בונים את זה עכשיו, מאוד תודה רבה, אני שמחה, תודה רבה מכל הלב.
As a parent myself, knowing that my child can sleep in a warm, safe, comfortable bed at night blesses my heart. Now this mom knows that feeling. Her children can sleep in these beautiful, brand new, warm, safe, comfortable beds. They can sleep well. Thank you for your support, for your donations that make projects like this possible. Thank you for loving the children of Israel through the work of Bridge to Peace.